Hi, today I'm for the OnePlus 11 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and after that enter in the search pool the Icon Changer. So after that we should tap the install button just to get this application and just wait a couple of seconds. After that we just should tap to open the app, click to allow, and here we'll see all the available applications on our device, which icons we can change. For example, let's use the camera app. If you want to rename it, just click here to this edit icon. Also we can see here the library with the different icons with the folders of the icons, so you can use one from these available icons, or also you can just can use the photo from your device gallery, or just to use the camera right now to take a picture. So for example, use one from these available icons. So I'll just use this one. Where is okay, for example this icon, then just tap on the right upper corner to OK. Now we should skip the videos. And after that click to add button, so you can change next icon by the same way, or just to go directly to the desktop. So here we can see the new camera icon. This is the regular one, the default one, and this is the new one from Icon Changer app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.